Hey everybody, this is the M2.5 post for lynda.com. I had no idea what this was going to be, and when I first clicked on here, I saw these popular subjects, none of which really apply to what I do. So I think I clicked on, maybe web, and it was very technical and a lot of things that I didn't even understand what the titles meant. So I think that was not a good link for me. But then I went to business and actually found some really awesome stuff. Um, so there's a lot of organization tools in here and time management. That was one of the things I saved to my my folder, whatever it is, my playlist, I think they call it. And what I found a lot of was Microsoft Office support videos. So I pinned those as well to use later on because you can never have too much support on those things. So also, in addition to Microsoft Office and some organization skills, I found some good videos on leadership, which is helpful. I don't know, a lot of other teachers out there probably are advisors for clubs, but I do student council and I have a new group this year. It's an after school group, and it deals with some leadership stuff and some inner strength and all those good things. So I definitely think I'll be using some of these skills in those programs. So and the last thing that I found, actually, there were two more things that I found that were really interesting. Let's see if I can find it. There was one for conflict resolution right there, this one. And I don't know, is it going to actually play the video? I'm not sure. I haven't done it like this yet. But that could be really useful for professional development or to share with colleagues. Because especially in a larger district, and any district, teachers have conflicts. And people have conflicts, so that's a really cool tool. And then the last thing I found that was really cool was there's one for grant writing. I don't remember where I stashed that one, but that could be useful for a lot of different applications for school programming or extracurricular things as well. So this was a really cool, I've used that word a lot, this is a really cool resource. I'm glad that we have access to it through Empire. And I look forward to digging in and finding some more stuff. And I think, where was that library? Here we go. Nope. Yeah, so here is a list of all the subjects, which I thought was pretty darn useful, because then you can just go through and look for specific things. So say you want to look at email marketing for, a fundraiser for your club or something like that. I'm trying to think of ways that this could be useful for teachers, but there are a lot of different things on here that I think a teacher could use. Thank you very much.